I am Ed Robinson. I am the Matilda Wilson Professor of Large Animal Clinical Sciences at MSU. We lead the world in equine pulmonary disease research. Running a lab, the value is in the diversity of people you have in there. You have people with all kinds of talents, and you've got to allow them all to express their talents. And it's the sum total of those talents that really makes a group that functions well together. I set out to build a research program studying horse diseases, and particularly lung diseases. There's a lung disease of horses known as HEAVS, and it's somewhat similar to human asthma or COPD. And just like human chronic lung disease, we've reached a point where you realize that it is the control of inflammation that is the basis of all these diseases. It's worth studying animal disease, not just for its benefit to animals, but for the similarities to human disease. And I think the human research community is gradually realizing this, that the mouse is not the answer to everything. They've taught us a lot about immunology and about genetics, but chronic disease is something that requires years of life, and domestic animals give us that. I have felt so honored to have occupied the Matilda Wilson chair that I really did feel the need to give something back to veterinary medicine. And also, as I've worked here, I see how much veterinary medicine needs outside help. And so, with that in mind, I've put the College of Veterinary Medicine into my estate plan. If you look across the US and you look at what are the big labs across the US that are being successful in doing horse research, almost all of them are supported by endowed funds. Private money is very important for maintaining our research. If you're going to run a successful research program, you have to live it, eat it, breathe it. That's the addiction of research. It really is an addiction. It has to be an addiction or you won't enjoy it, right? If it's work, you're not going to do research. You just have to want to find the answer.